You mentioned that nowadays these private labels have a huge range from entry level wines even to ultra premium. That's surprising to me. Are there ultra premium private labels? Because I can imagine for these private labels you need quite a huge volume because these shops, these merchants have lots of places. They need volume, and for ultra premium wines, there are not a lot of wineries that can do that in great volume.
Yeah. So with that, if you're looking at a large retailer, they'd say they're in hundreds of locations or more. Uh, Most of the time with these large retailers, they go through a process called clustering. And it's looking at the demographics of your stores. So there could be stores that are higher income. There could be maybe a
Mhm.
specific ethnicity, an age range. Some of these will have impact on wine buying decisions. So,
Okay.
for instance, if you were looking at something more at the very premium side and the production of it was very limited, well, it can be targeted just to those specific stores that
Mm.
fit the definition of what the ideal customer should be. And it really provides two benefits. One is you're funneling those wines to areas where they make the most sense. And the other side of it is you don't want to send high end expensive wines to places, to locations that it doesn't fit, because eventually that ends up being a liability.
Of course.
So, it's looked at in a, you may have a huge company, but it's generally segmented. And that
Yeah.
segmentation takes you down a path to hopefully get things right from the beginning and not make errors.
Well, I didn't think about that it can be targeted in such a way, but it makes total sense. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.